Hey guys, what's going on? Sean here, just back with another quick video because I want to share something really cool with you guys. If you're starting with Clickbank, you're trying to get some sales as fast as possible, this is something that can help you to really get a start and start building a business. Alright, I'm just going to keep this really short here. So what I want to do in this one is I want to teach you how you can drive traffic to your affiliate links, to your Clickbank affiliate link, or really any affiliate program for free using YouTube. Now the good thing about this is that you don't actually have to make a video of yourself, because when it comes to YouTube, one of the things that a lot of people are scared about is just being in front of a camera. So this is actually a really good method because you don't have to be in front of a camera, and this can be actually turned to a very scalable method. So another thing is that this is something that is free, meaning that you only pay for it if a very small amount once, and then you can just keep using this for free forever. It's very powerful, guys. So what is this? So I want to show you an example of this so you can see it in action. So we have this channel, right? This is a very old channel, by the way, and this channel, it's Modern Fitness Hub, and we made 5 videos on this channel. You take a look, these videos are 3 years ago. And to this day, these videos are driving traffic to my affiliate links, to my Clickbank affiliate links, and making me money. How crazy is that? Another thing when it comes to these videos, that they're really easy to make. Also, they're really convincing in getting people to actually buy something. They're very good at selling stuff, and they work. That's just how it is. They work. So if you take a look, these are doodly videos, or these are animation videos, and believe it or not, they're not that hard to make. They're very easy to actually create. So let me show you an example of it real quick here before I get into other stuff. So if you take a look, I got my video here. I see, nothing crazy, and then I got my affiliate link down here that takes people to the Clickbank affiliate. All right, it's very simple. Like, click on it, it just takes them to the affiliate, the product on Clickbank, just like that. All right, guys. So as you see, very powerful stuff. You can use this right now and start making money. Now, one of the things is that the doodly, the animation video is actually very easy to create. You just have to learn the software. And the next thing is the voiceover. So when it comes to voiceover, because it's a video, it needs a voiceover. So you can actually use your own voiceover, or you can actually pay someone on Fiverr. Like, you can write a script, pay someone on Fiverr, or if you want to keep it free, because I'm focusing on free stuff here, you can actually record your own voice and just like say it and then make the animation for it. Very easy. So again, you gotta record the voiceover first and then make the animation for it. So how do you make the animation? It is a software called Doodly. Alright, so you can go to doodly.com. I don't have an affiliate link or anything to them, but you can use this software. You can buy it, and the thing is, again, you gotta buy this once and you can use it forever, and you can make a lot of money from this. Alright, and imagine you make these channels like this, and they pay you, and they keep paying you forever. So that's a really beautiful thing. This is something that you should be doing if you wanna start using the power of YouTube to drive free traffic to your affiliate links, to your Clickbank affiliate links, and you don't want to be in front of a camera. So it's a very powerful thing. So record a voiceover first, okay, and then use Doodly to just make an animation for it, a nice video for it, and they get a lot of different formats. You can check them out, and you can start driving traffic to your affiliate links. So guys, if you want to learn more, definitely check out the link in the description. Thank you so much for watching this video. I got something for you in the description. Check it out. It's a nice webinar if you want to learn stuff, because when it comes to selling affiliate products, there are a lot of different ways to sell something. It's just not one way to sell an affiliate product. I always say that there isn't just one way to sell something. There are a lot of different ways to sell an affiliate product. This is one of them. But if you want to learn some awesome stuff from a super affiliate that I know very well, and he's doing very well when it comes to selling Clickbank products, much better than me, you should definitely check out the link in the description. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe if you're not a subscriber, and I'll see you in the next one.